Looking for a motocross bike that's built to win? The 2026 Kawasaki KX450 brings factory-level performance straight to the track. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where we break down the machines that dominate the dirt. Design. The KX450 screams race-ready from every angle. Kawasaki's signature lime green plastics and aggressive ergonomics create a machine built purely for competition. The slim profile and lightweight chassis make it easy to move around in corners, while the flat seat and strategically placed foot pegs provide optimal rider control. Every component is designed to shave seconds off lap times. Performance. At the core is a 449 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled four-stroke engine tuned for explosive power delivery. The fuel-injected motor produces incredible torque out of corners and pulls hard through the rev range. Kawasaki's electric start ensures reliable firing every time, while the 5-speed transmission offers perfectly spaced gearing for motocross tracks. The power is raw, immediate, and exactly what serious racers demand. Features and technology. The KX450 packs serious tech into a competition package. Launch control mode helps you nail hole shots off the gate, while adjustable engine maps let you fine-tune power characteristics. The Showa suspension components are fully adjustable to match your weight and riding style, and the hydraulic clutch provides consistent feel throughout long motos. Lightweight aluminum frame and swing arm maximize agility without sacrificing durability. Conclusion. The 2026 Kawasaki KX450 is a purpose-built racing weapon that delivers championship-caliber performance. If you're serious about motocross, this bike demands your attention. Ready to hit the track? Tell us your fastest lap time in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more dirt bike content. Let's ride!